This is video editing, the art of turning raw footage into magic. But what if AI could do it faster, cheaper, and maybe even better? Today, I'm putting artificial intelligence to the ultimate test. Can AI edit a video as well as a professional human editor? We're about to find out. Welcome to Hasnan Tech Automation. If you're new here, we dive into AI experiments, automation, and tech innovations. Hit that subscribe button because today's challenge is going to be insane. Let's get started. We have two competitors today, AI versus human. I'll be using a popular AI-powered video editing software. And for the human side, well, that's me. Same footage, same challenge. Best edit wins. First up, cutting and trimming. AI is shockingly fast. It's cutting clips based on speech and even detecting awkward pauses. Meanwhile, I'm manually scrubbing through, making precise cuts. This takes time. But here's the question. Is AI cutting smartly or is it just making random decisions? Let's move on to transitions and effects. Whoa, AI just applied transitions instantly. But here's the thing. Are they good transitions or is it just slapping on effects randomly? Let's take a closer look. The human side, way slower but more controlled. Every transition is chosen with intent. Now, let's talk color grading. Look at this. AI just color graded everything in seconds. It analyzed the footage and gave a cinematic look. But wait, does it actually look good or just overprocessed? Humans spend hours perfecting color grading. We tweak shadows, highlights, saturation. AI just did it in seconds. But can it match the human touch? Next up, audio and sound design. Okay, I'm impressed. AI just cleaned up background noise and balanced the audio levels in seconds. But hold on, what about music? Music choice is critical in video editing. AI just randomly picked a track. Humans, we feel the moment. We find the perfect beat drop. This might be where AI falls short. Now, let's see what AI does with titles and captions. AI is insane at this. It automatically created captions, added motion graphics, and made everything look polished. But again, does it feel right? Here's the moment we've all been waiting for. The final AI-edited video versus the human-edited version. AI's edit is fast, sleek, and automated. But is it too robotic? The human edit? More intentional, more refined, but it took way longer. So who won? Let's be honest. AI editing is scary fast. It saves time, automates boring tasks, and gives decent results. But it lacks creativity. It doesn't understand storytelling, emotions, or artistic intent. Final verdict? AI is an insane tool for fast edits, but humans? We're still the masters of storytelling. But hey, AI is learning fast. Who knows? Maybe in a few years, it might actually replace human editors. Or will it? Let me know in the comments. Would you trust AI to edit your videos? And if you love AI experiments like this, smash that like button and subscribe for more insane content. This is Hasnan Tech Automation, signing off.